Mr. Suhail Nawaz is a graduate mechanical engineer from University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore. He is currently working as General Manager, Quality Control in Honda Atlas Cars Pakistan Limited. He has more than 22 years of experience of vehicle quality, new model, specification control, and production operations. He is a certified lead auditor for ISO 9000-2008. He played a key role in the successful introduction of various quality control and production enhancement activities. He has the experience of representing quality control circles in Asia, Oceania, and World Convention in Japan, Taiwan, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, and India. He also has the experience of working in Honda Automobile Thailand as a project leader for overseas assignments including project management. He assisted NUST for the design of course related to quality and reliability management, a module for postgraduate level program in manufacturing. I would now invite Mr. Suhail Nawaz, General Manager, Honda Atlas Cars Pakistan, to present the keynote address.
It is a great honor for Honda Atlas Cars Pakistan to support today's event organized jointly by Engineering Development Board and Institute of Road Transport Safety Pakistan. Bringing the rarely discussed subjects of automotive standards, vehicle regulations, and road safety to the center stage today in the National Automotive Summit 2016 is indeed a thoughtful effort for both organizations in the much needed direction. On behalf of Honda Atlas Cars Pakistan Limited, it's a great privilege for me to be here today and share my views on automotive industry way forward to sustainability and quality standards. Before moving to the topic, I would like to share in brief about Honda Atlas Cars Pakistan Limited and the automotive industry in Pakistan. Honda Atlas Cars Pakistan, a joint venture between Honda Motors Company and the Atlas Group of Companies Pakistan, was incorporated on November 4, 1992. The groundbreaking ceremony was held on April 17, 1993. And within a record time of 11 months, construction and installation of machinery was completed. The first car rolled off the assembly line on May 26, 1994. Since then, company's constant endeavor was to provide outstanding quality to achieve #1 customer satisfaction and good value for money. Since the commencement of production in 1994, the company has produced and sold more than 280,000 cars. This has become possible with the awareness that quality is the matter of utmost importance for the manufacturing business, increasing trust among our customers and improving production capabilities. Our quality journey began over 20 years ago with a simple but profound commitment of the company's slogan, "Best Quality." It is only because of this commitment and consistent hard work that Honda Atlas Cars has been awarded the Best Quality Gold Award for the consecutive 6th year in 2015. Mr. Kai Hara, who is a Director and Operating Officer, Quality Division, Honda Motor Japan, came all the way to Pakistan to present this award. So this is not only for Honda Atlas Cars, but I think this was a matter of privilege for the whole institution or whole country. Now, let's move to the automotive industry. Pakistan is one of the 40th automobile manufacturing countries in the world. The automobile industry is considered the mother of all industries because of its immense potential to contribute towards growth of large-scale manufacturing sector. This industry provides direct and indirect employment to 3 million skilled workers, technicians, engineers, and management professionals in Pakistan. On account of its linkages with numerous engineering technologies. This industry is critical for the overall upgradation of the country's level of technological excellence. The Pakistan auto industry has come a long way to establish its root in Pakistan. Starting from the era of deletion programs, the industry has achieved significant milestones through indigenization and technology transfer, and contributed to Pakistan's economy in terms of employment creation as well as taxes and duties. Ladies and gentlemen, this is no small achievement given the very small passenger cars market of Pakistan. The auto industry is on the revival path after a decade of ups and downs linked to global downturn and policy uncertainty. The auto manufacturers and assemblers are now well poised to gear up for a greater challenges for introducing latest technologies relating to safety, fuel efficiency, and emissions control on the back of expected high volumes. Passenger cars assemblers as well as assemblers of other vehicles have shown commitment to not only enhancing their in-house technological capability but also of their vendors supplying various parts to it. This is evident from progressive localization taking place in the industry. Given an expanding market, the automakers would invest in latest technologies to bring itself at par with global norms. As I have now briefly explained about Honda Atlas Cars Pakistan and the automotive industry in Pakistan, I would like to proceed to the topic under discussion, which is automotive industry, a way forward to sustainability and quality standards. For that, we need to understand what is sustainability. Sustainability is a synonym of achieving enduring values. It means protecting the environment so that man can live a life of quality, so that our children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren can live a life of quality. And by standards, we are referring to safety, reliability, quality, and environmental standards. Keeping this topic in mind, if we take a look at the global scenario, the most successful automotive companies in the world recognize that environmental responsibility is not only good for business, it is becoming an integral part of the way vehicles are marketed, purchased, and driven. CEOs within the automotive industry are beginning to see sustainability as a top-line opportunity. It has moved from a moral obligation and is now considered as an opportunity for cost reduction, revenue growth, risk management, innovation, brand value, and other intangibles. As competition in the industry becomes fierce, sustainability is starting to play a key role across many business functions and processes, and appears to play contributing to the changing industry dynamics. Trends such as source concerns, technological innovation, rising urbanization, changing demographics, new consumer attitudes towards mobility, increased regulation, intense competition are starting to create a market environment where sustainability will become a key component for success in the industry. For example, if we take a look at Japan, its car makers have stayed front runners in the global market and automotive industry. Although the automobile industry is undergoing profound changes, the efforts of Japan to produce the top fuel-efficient cars have paid off, and the US continues to be their largest market. Thus, it shows that they are not ready to compromise on efficiency standards. Japan also has one of the strict automobile standards in the world. If we look at the Asia-Oceania market, let's talk about Thailand. Another example can be of Thailand. I would like to throw light upon how the development of Thailand automotive industry through the administration of favorable policies for each period, the formulation of Thailand Automotive Industry Master Plan 2002 to 2006 and Thailand Automotive Industry Master Plan 2007 to 2011, and collaboration from the private sector has contributed to sustainable development of Thailand's automotive industry. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason for giving these examples is that we need to learn from them. I use the word automotive as a broad concept because it's not just about making passenger motor vehicles. This is exactly what Honda focuses on. As a company working towards realization of a sustainable society, Honda has determined the following at its important themes for new initiatives: environment, safety, quality, and society. Honda has carried out initiatives for the environment and safety by establishing its Honda Environmental and Safety Vision, which aims to realize the joy and freedom of mobility and a sustainable society where people can enjoy life. In environmental initiatives, Honda has implemented activities toward the goal of cutting total CO2 emissions in half for the Honda Group by 2050, compared to a base year of 2000. Honda's core values are expressed in our fundamental beliefs comprising respect for the individual and three joys: the joy of buying, the joy of selling, and the joy of creating. And Honda aims to share joys and satisfaction with customers across the globe to become a company that society wants to exist. Basically, we have to look at the whole industry and need to identify sustainability as a key differentiator for competitive advantage. This is really an important point and one I hope supported by everyone in this room. There is no doubt that the auto industry is stronger, more globally competitive, and better able to meet the ever-increasing demands of the consumer than it has ever been. However, we still need to push our boundaries. We need to make consistent efforts, otherwise we will be left behind in this race to achieve excellence. Just to give a quote, as Steve Jobs said, innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. So innovation is essential if we want to lead, if we want to succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, I am optimistic that today's gathering of stakeholders, including industry, academia, and the government bodies concerned with auto sector development and regulations, would be instrumental in defining a roadmap for the development and growth of Pakistan's automotive sector along modern lines. Strenuous efforts would be required on part of the industry and the government to undertake activities relating to research and development, technological upgrade in the areas of safety, fuel efficiency and emissions control, and above all, enhancing capabilities of auto part makers to meet the ever-increasing challenges of quality. There is an urgent need for streamlining the motor vehicles rules and their effectiveness, enforcement to ensure safety of people. In conclusion, I would like to say that the automobile sector of Pakistan has just touched the tip of the iceberg, and there are numerous opportunities which present themselves. However, prudent policies are required for the sustainability and progress of this sleeping giant. Automotive industries across the world are really far ahead of us, so we need to work hard to match up their level or even be ahead of them. We are shifting away from the Pakistan of yesterday because we must. That's the challenge of time and the price of technology. The winners in this industry and ever other one will be those who respect and learn from the past, but are not held back by it. I believe Pakistan will be the home of new technology and innovation. The opportunity lies right here. Any one of our cities or regional center could be a technological hub to rival the world's best. So let's continue to work together so that every one of you, along with the entire Pakistan economy, can thrive. Once again, thank you very much for giving Honda Pakistan this wonderful opportunity to share its thoughts on the subjects. And later on, we will have a further discussion on this topic in the conference sessions. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you.
Innovation is essential. Ladies and gentlemen, we will resume the session after a short tea break.